Is it on?
Yeah.
Where'd you go?
What?
I'm trying to hit you. Ah.
Whoa.
I got you. I got almost. You can't move.
What? If you're gonna hit me with a snowball, I think I got a chance. I got a.
No, you don't. You have to sit still.
You
See
crazy?
my little snowman. He's
Yes.
big.
It is a little one. I see that. Man, it's pouring down there.
I need your help.
That's too dry.
Okay,
Okay.
I'm getting a body. It's a lot of work.
It's a lot of
Got a
work.
stool. Beach if I can squat.
Let's not worry about the snowman. Let's just take some pictures.
I gotta get a snowman.
Okay.
Okay. And I gotta put a stick in his face. Or a cigar. So oh, that was frozen. Look at that. Look at that leaf. That leaf is frozen with
Was it?
ice in it. See my snowman.
I see it, honey.
Give him a hat. See the snowman with the hat on?
That's cute, Bo.
Ain't it cute? Ah, I need more. I can't see him. Look at this, it's frozen solid.
Yeah.
I mean, you touch it and it breaks.
I don't think it'll hurt those holly leaves, though.
You see my snowman?
That's cute, Bo.
You get it on video?
Yeah.
Okay. Come here and get a picture of these flowers it's got. Come video this yard.
I can get
come
the
here.
phone out in the snow, Bo.
Baby, I'm trying to get you to video the pretty in the yard and the flowers
I
and
know,
snow in
but
the
I'm not gonna
flowers.
bring the phone out in the snow. It'll mess it up.
What?
Yeah.
Give me that thing.
You get an umbrella.
I don't need it. Hear the oh my God from the neighbor?
Yeah.
I'm talking the video. Hear the snowman. I made a snowman. He got a leaf on his head for a hat. He cute. It is unbelievable. Unbelievable. Look at the snow coming down. Look at the snow over here. I am walking. You hear that? That's that dry, bopping snow, buddy. It is sticking everywhere. See, you can't even see where I walked across the yard. Unbelievable.
Yeah, I know it.
It's awesome.
Hey, I've lived here since 92. I ain't never seen a snow like this before.
I saw something like this in '89.
Yeah, I was in Germany. I was in the army then.
Yeah. In '89, I lived on Wilmington Island and I had 32-foot drifts on my patio sliding glass door.
I'm from Michigan.
Oh, well, you're used to it.
Yeah, but here's man, but I ain't seen this in a long time.
No, I know. Look how
Follow
thick it is.
Michigan, where I'm from.
Yeah?
On Facebook, I go, so how's global warming going for you?
Yeah.
Oh, they're gonna get back at me.
That's so funny. Yeah, global warming. Have a happy new year. This is just unbelievable. Neighbors are in the yard. People are out walking. It's just gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. This looks like Wisconsin. I'm not kidding. This is just unreal. Icicles hanging from the house. It's just beautiful. Unbelievable. Unbelievable Charlie Brown. And my little bitty snowman, he tried to make one. I did make a video one. Didn't get no eyes on him yet. I gotta go get some eyes. Unbelievable. Look at the ice and the flowers. And on the bushes. That hard as a rock. That's my snowman spoon. Look at this. This is just gorgeous. This is just absolutely gorgeous. I can't stay inside. I can't stay inside. I just stay outside. I'm freezing, but I gotta stay outside. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this yard. It is totally engulfed. Look at the bird bath. It's running over with snow. Running over with snow. Unbelievable. Look at the top of the house. This is just gorgeous. This is just, oh my God, gorgeous. This is, oh my gosh, gorgeous. I mean to tell you, this is a shocker. This is a shocker. A shocker. Yeah. There's a few of us that's stupid enough to be out here. I got on bedroom shoes, folks. See? And the back of my heel is exposed. Probably ended up with double pneumonia in this. Unbelievable. Look at it coming down. Look at that tree. Look at that flag. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Look at this. Look at this winter wonderland. Good job, Mikey. Oh, he's such a handy fella. Look, even the owl saying, "What? What?" Look at the snow. Y'all, I can't, what? It's just unreal. I'm not even making a, look, I walked that. I'm not even making a mark. Look at this. Oh my God. That is just gorgeous. Oh, that is just gorgeous. Oh my gosh. That is just gorgeous. And the house is totally engulfed. Ah, this is just beautiful. Look at that. Look at this. Look at the forest. Oh, wow. Look at the snow coming down. Daddy had the door open so he could get some pictures. Look at the roof. It is totally covered. Oh my God. This is just beautiful. This is just absolutely gorgeous. Ah, what a surprise. What a surprise. Guess if I just put some shelter over my phone. Stand by. Now I can't turn it off. Oh, I got on gloves. It doesn't recognize my touch. Okay, my fingers are frozen. I gotta walk up here and take my gloves off. Ah. Here's somebody running a lawnmower? Gotta be kidding me. Look at this. This is just totally. Look, it's all inside. It's blowing inside. This is just gorgeous. Unbelievable. You did see where I come in there. And look at that. Unbelievable. These shoes are crusted. I'm talking crusted. Oops. Crusted. Oops. I'm sorry. Malfunction. Look, I can't get the ice off my feet. Ice on her feet. My pajamas are way up. Yep, I'm in jammers. I gotta get this out of that foot. Gotta go in the house. And this is just so cool. Oh, this is so cool. Look at the ice and the snow. Oh, this is just beautiful. And that's my baby's handy job. My eye or something else. Look at this place. This is awesome. Oops, Gigi spread in some snow cheer. I guess not.